Hello, sir. I am Indrajit Sen. My roll number is CS2916, and my group members are Amrit Shankar Bora, Ankur Saikia, and Pankaj Sahu. So, the topic of our presentation is IoT in agriculture. So, what is IoT? The Internet of Things, or IoT, is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, provided with unique identifiers and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human to human or human to computer interaction. With the evolution of urbanization, weather change, and increasing population, agricultural sector is facing many challenges. There is a strong need to increase the production per unit area. Traditional method farming have led to degradation of farms because of uncontrolled use of resources, fertilizers and pesticides. So now smart agriculture has emerged as an important step towards increasing output and optimizing the use of resources. Smart agriculture is also very important towards organic farming and growing the type of fruits, vegetables demanded by the customers. So let us see the structure of IoT. So in the first lab, which is in things, these are the basic components like sensors, like temperature sensor, power sensor, and humidity sensor, etc. In the next lab, we have the gateway. The examples are 6LoWPAN, Zigbee, NFC, etc. And the next one is the internet, which is the basic connectivity. The examples are Wi-Fi, mobile, DSL, fiber, etc. So, how is IoT integrated in agriculture? Agriculture implements IoT through basically use of robots, drones, sensors, and computer imaging, integrated with analytical tools for getting insights and monitor the farms. So next we have the applications of IoT in agriculture. So the first one is precision farming. Precision farming can be thought of as anything that makes farming practice more controlled and accurate when it comes to raising livestock and growing crops. In this approach of farm management, a key component is the use of IoT and various items like sensors, control systems, robotics, autonomous vehicles, automated hardware, etc. The adoption of access to high-speed internet, mobile devices, and reliable low-cost satellites by the manufacturers are a few key technologies characterizing the precision agriculture trend. Precision agriculture is one of the most famous applications of IoT in the agricultural sector, and numerous organizations are leveraging this technique around the world. Like Cropmetrics is a precision agriculture organization focused on the ultra-modern agronomic solutions with specialization in the management of precision irrigation. So the next three applications will be explained by the other members of the group. Thank you, sir.
My name is Amrit Shankar. I am going to explain about applications of IoT in agriculture. So first, I'll going to talk about agricultural drones. So drones are being used in agriculture in order to enhance various agricultural practices. The ways ground-based and aerial-based drones are being used in agriculture are crop health assessment, irrigation, crop monitoring, crop spraying, planting, and soil and field analysis. The major benefit of using drones includes crop health imaging, integrated GIS mapping, easy of use, save times, and potential to increase yields. Planning based on real-time data collection and processing, drone technology will give a high-tech makeover to the agriculture industry. So from the drone data, we can draw insights regarding plant health indices, plant counting, and yield predictions. So from drone data, we can also measure plant height, canopy makeover mapping, field water ponding mapping, scouting report, stockpile measuring, nitrogen content in wheat, draining mapping, weight pressure mapping, and so on. Next application is livestock monitoring. So from large farm owners can utilize wireless IoT applications to collect data regarding the locations, well-being and health of their cattle. This information helps them in identifying animals that are sick so they can be separated from the herd, thereby preventing spread of diseases. It also lowers labor costs as ranchers can locate their cattle with the help of IoT-based sensors. Thank you.
My name is Ankurjyoti Soikia. Today I am going to talk about smart greenhouses. Agriculture and farming sector, as we all know, remain constrained by low productivity and excessive dependency on water. There are some causes. It is due to climate change, declining water availability in erratic temperature. We need to grow more consumable crops in protected environment. Hence, the thought of smart greenhouse farming arises. Smart greenhouse is a revolution in agriculture. It is a methodology that helps in enhancing the yield of vegetable, fruit, crops, etc. A smart greenhouse can be designed with the help of IoT. This design intelligently monitor as well as control the climate and also eliminating the need of manual intervention. For controlling the environment in a smart greenhouse, we can use defined sensors that measures the environmental parameters according to the plant requirement. We can also create a cloud-based server for remotely accessing the system when it is connected using IoT. There are some benefits of smart greenhouse. It can maintain ideal microclimate condition. It enhances irrigation and fertilization practices. It can control infection and avoid disease outbreak, and it can prevent theft and improve the security. Constraints for implementing IoT in Indian agriculture scenario. India is a land of defined weather conditions and versatile soils. Every year, Indian farmers are facing the problem of sudden rain in their areas without any correct weather forecast, which leads to damage of the already grown crops. Second major problem faces Indian farmers is the lack of sufficient knowledge about their soil. Third one is the environmental impact. Air pollution, poor management of waste, water pollution, biodiversity loss, and land soil degradation are some of the major environmental issues India faces today. Fourth one, low awareness of IoT devices and system among customers. For fifth one is the internet connectivity and availability is very poor. Lack of investment in agriculture.
My name is Pankaj Sahu and I am going to give a presentation on the IoT use cases in agriculture. They are monitoring of climate conditions, greenhouse automation, crop management, cattle monitoring and management, and end-to-end farm management systems. So now I am going to talk broadly about monitoring of climate conditions. Probably the most popular smart agriculture gadgets are weather stations combining various smart farming sensors located across the field. They collect various data from the environment and send it to the cloud. The provided measurements can be used to map the climate conditions, choose the appropriate crops, and take the required measures to improve their capacity. That is precision farming. Some examples of such agriculture IoT devices are All Meteo, Smart Elements, and Picno. Greenhouse automation. In addition to sourcing environmental data, weather stations can automatically adjust the conditions to match the given parameters. Specifically, greenhouse automation systems use a similar principle. For instance, FarmMap and the GrowLink are also IoT agriculture products offering such capabilities among others. The Green IQ is also an interesting product that uses smart agriculture sensors. It is a smart sprinklers controller that allows you to manage your irrigation and lighting systems remotely. Now I'm going to talk about the crop management. One more type of IoT product in agriculture and another element of precision farming is crop management devices. Just like weather stations, they should be placed in the field to collect data specific to crop farming, from temperature and precipitation to leaf water potential and overall crop health. These can all be used to collect data and information for improving the farming practices. Thus, we can monitor our crop growth and any anomalies to effectively prevent diseases or infestations that could harm your yield. Arable and Simios can serve as good representations of how this use case can be applied in real life. Cattle monitoring and management. Just like crop monitoring, there are IoT structure agriculture sensors that can be attached to the animals on a farm to monitor their health and log performance. This works similarly to IoT devices for pet care. For example, SCR by Allflex and Cowlers use smart agriculture sensors, collar tags, to deliver temperature, health, activity, and nutrition insights on each individual cow, as well as collective information about the herd. The end-to-end farm management systems, a more complex approach to IoT products in agriculture, can be represented by the so-called farm productivity management systems. They usually include a number of IoT devices and sensors installed on the premises, as well as a powerful dashboard with analytical capabilities and inbuilt accounting reporting features. This offers remote farm monitoring capabilities and allows you to streamline most of the business operations. Similar solutions are represented by FarmLogs and Cropio. In addition to the listed IoT agriculture use cases, some prominent opportunities include vehicle tracking, storage management, logistics, etc. Conclusion: the IoT agriculture applications are making it possible for ranchers and farmers to collect meaningful data. Large landowners and small farmers must understand the potential of IoT market for agriculture by installing smart technologies to increase competitiveness and sustainability in their productions. With the population growing rapidly, the demand can be successfully met if the ranchers as well as small farmers implement agricultural IoT solutions in a prosperous manner. Thank you.